Being brought up in the UAE, I find it to be the perfect destination to live and study.
We have students from different countries, and as an international student, cultural diversity is very important for me because I am able to learn and understand various cultures.
International experience is also a vital part of our learning at GMU.
Gulf Medical University is the first and the only university in the United Arab Emirates that have established and is teaching Doctor of Pharmacy curriculum, which is around 5 years. And inside with this curriculum, the student will get to know and learn how clinical pharmacy practice is being done in the hospitals. What is more unique about Gulf Medical University that it is an academic teaching. Hospitals are already attached with this university. We have actually hospitals in all over the United Arab Emirates, and where the students actually are having a variety of places to train.
I joined GMU in 2014, and it was the best option, being close to home and at the same time a perfect blend of quality education with world-class facilities and maximum clinical exposure. Gulf Medical University is a melting pot of people from different cultures and backgrounds. Learning from and working with my colleagues from all over the world broadens my perspective and makes me open to welcoming different ideas. The curriculum is student-centered and is based on problem-based learning. This is a very effective learning method and sets us up to be very strong clinically.
I chose GMU because of the student diversity and the quality of education. As a dentistry student, I wanted to have hands-on experience, coupled with early clinical exposure, which GMU provided me with. Professors take their time to see how individuals learn. Here in GMU, you aren't just another student, but an individual and a personality. We have an internationally recognized curriculum and a very well-connected alumni network. We are part of a very diverse student body, where students have come from over 80 countries. To me, it's a home away from home. During the clinical training, which are the 4th and the 5th year of our study, we work in 3 different GMU hospitals around the UAE, which are all equipped with the latest machinery and highly advanced equipments for us to practice. This keeps us abreast with the new trends and technologies in dentistry. We see a lot of patients and have clinical instructors who are there to guide us each step of the way.
The Gulf Medical University afforded me an unparalleled insight into the medical field. Since day one, the doctors and professors spent incredible amount of time teaching us various topics in medicine while sharing their own career paths and advices. Everyone here is so friendly and approachable. Additionally, being a student in this program led to many discussions with my mentors, facilitators, and peers that helped me navigate an area of uncertainty, which is my future career. Everyone here keeps pushing you to come out with the best you can provide, and this is when I knew I've made the right choice.
I would recommend GMU to anyone who is seeking excellent and quality education. Because at GMU we discover the world beyond textbooks, hands-on clinical experience, because we have our own academic hospitals. Classes and sections are very interactive because lecturers bring research and practical experience in classrooms. We have opportunity to apply theory to practice because GMU is equipped with great labs and teaching hospitals.
We are actually having an MOU along with the Cleveland Clinic in Abu Dhabi and the Sheikh Khalifa Hospital and in other hospitals where Doctor of Pharmacy students are having their trainings. So more variety of hospitals are there in the training, and the students will have more exposure to different settings.
Learning here at GMU is very engaging and interactive, and we're offered a wide range of extracurricular activities and recreational facilities. What is unique about GMU is that we have our own teaching hospitals.
International experience is also a vital part of our learning at GMU. And in my case, I went to Hungary to complete my summer training in 4th year. The experience was enriching and provided me with an opportunity to learn from the world.
I believe that GMU is set at a very prime location where everything is literally provided and easily accessible. Now that I'm in my clinical phase, I realize how medicine is in a constant stage of flux and innovation. And thanks to our management, we can easily see that being done in our Thumbay Hospital. All the respected doctors are at their highest rank of professionalism.
We are not just trained to be health professionals, we are trained to become healers. Because at GMU, practice of medicine is an act, not a trade. We are trained to lead health reform debates.
Beside that, we have been exempted from the MOH 6-month training as PharmD graduate. So, I have immediately graduated, done my MOH licensing, and now I'm registered pharmacist. So, you have all of these. Where else would you go?
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 Where else would you go?